In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create classes in QuickBooks. If you've ever wanted a cleaner way to see how different parts of your business are performing, like marketing versus operations or one branch versus another, classes are a simple, powerful tool. They let you tag transactions so your reports can break down income and expenses by the categories that matter most to you. Let's walk through it together. Start at the top of your QuickBooks screen and click into the search bar. Type Classes, then select the Classes option that appears in the results. That takes you to the Classes page, where you'll manage everything related to class tracking. In the top right corner, click the New button to create your first class. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something like Marketing, Online Store, or West Branch. Short, consistent names make it easier to filter reports later, and they help your team pick the right class when entering transactions. While you're naming the class, you'll see an option to set it as a subclass. Use this if you want to nest it under an existing class to create a simple hierarchy. For example, you might have a parent class called Marketing and then subclasses like Email, Events, and Social. Or you could have a parent class called Retail and subclasses for each location. This structure keeps things organized without making your list overwhelming. If you don't need a hierarchy, just leave it as a standalone class. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. That's it. Your class is ready to use. From now on, whenever you create a transaction, like an invoice, expense, bill, or check, look for the class field. It usually appears alongside customer, vendor, and category details. Select the class that best matches the transaction. Keeping this habit consistent ensures your financial reports can compare performance across departments, projects, or locations later on. A couple of quick tips as you get started. Keep your class list focused on what you actually want to analyze, avoid duplicate or overly similar names, and choose a naming style you'll stick with. You can always refine names as your business evolves, but a clear structure from the start makes reporting much easier. And that's the process. Search for classes, open the Classes page, click New, name your class, choose whether it's a subclass, save it, and then assign it on your transactions. With just a few clicks, you'll unlock more insightful, organized reporting in QuickBooks.